Okay guys, in page 32, you're going to find this exercise. Exercise number 1. You have to read this text and answer those questions. What kind of text is it? And how do you know is that kind of text? Do you remember what is a topic sentence? Which are the supporting details? Well, using a highlighter, please identify them. Underline the topic sentence, the supporting details, and underline if there are examples or explanations, please. Then, in exercise 2, you're going to analyze the text and answer these questions. Where would you expect to find this kind of text? In a magazine, a newspaper, in a book, in a website? Where do you think you can find this kind of text? Who do you think is the author of this text? And what do you think the objective of this text is? What's its purpose? Why do you think they wrote this text? What they were trying to do? Do you remember that you already underlined the topic sentence, supporting details, and then explanations in exercise 1? Well, I want you to write them down here. Write all those things that you underlined here in the corresponding boxes. After that, in your notebook, I want you to answer the questions from exercise 4. What's the job you would like to have when you grow up? Which is your dream job, guys? If you want to learn more about a job, where could you find information about it? Where could you look to find information about that job so you could learn more about it? And tell me, why is it important to read expository texts? Why do you think you need to read them before taking a decision of the job that you would like to have? Well, we're going to write an expository text about the job that you would like to have in the future, your dream job. So, let's do it step by step. First, I want you to brainstorm here. Write down all the ideas that you think you can include. For this exercise, it's not necessarily that you write complete sentences. You can only write the ideas. I want you to brainstorm all the things that you can include in your text. Don't forget to draw your dream job in the prompt, please. Now let's go to the second part. Here, you're going to plan your writing, and you're going to find this organizer here. The first thing that you have to do is write your main topic. What will you write about? What is going to be your topic? Then you're going to write the facts, your main ideas. What's the information that you have? Write a topic sentence stating what the topic is. Then you have to write the supporting facts. How will you support the main facts? Give me reasons of why the facts that you wrote are true. After that, you have to write explanations, details, give examples, all the information that you can give to the reader so he can understand the main topic. And guys, it's not in this plan, but I also want you to write a conclusion. Write something that wraps up all the ideas, that restates the main idea. Now it's time to write. Use all the information that you use in your planner and in your brainstorming cloud and write down your expository text. Remember that you need to add details, use transitional words or phrases to connect all the ideas. Be careful with your grammar and spelling. Don't forget the structure of the sentences and of the text. Guys, please write complete sentences. You can also use the example from page 32, so you can follow the structure of that text. In exercise 4, you're going to revise your own text. I want you to check if you include all the content, so you're going to draw a check mark or a cross mark if you include it or not. We're not going to do exercise 5, so draw a cross mark on it, please. We're going to skip it. Finally, guys, I want you to draw a poster to illustrate and present the information in your paragraph. I want you to create a short video representing an employee in the field that you wrote about. If your dream job is being a doctor and you wrote about that, then represent a doctor. If your text is about a scientist, then represent a scientist in your video. And I want you to explain me what your job is like. And that's all, guys. So once you have finished, please send me your evidence through the platform or to my email. Goodbye!